Are you tired of your gaming laptop stuttering during intense battles or struggling to keep up with the latest AAA titles? Let me tell you about the game changer that's got thousands of gamers raving, the ASUS ROG Strix G16, and why it might be the last gaming laptop you'll ever need to buy. This powerhouse comes packed with the brand new Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 275HX, which delivers absolutely incredible performance that'll blow your mind. We're talking about seamless multitasking while streaming, gaming, and running multiple applications without breaking a sweat. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, you're getting cutting-edge graphics that make every game look stunning and run butter smooth. But here's where it gets really exciting, that gorgeous 16-inch ROG Nebula display. This isn't just any screen, it's a 2.5K resolution panel with a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate and lightning-quick 3 milliseconds response time. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical space, perfect for both gaming and productivity. Trust me, once you experience this level of visual clarity and responsiveness, there's no going back to ordinary displays. The 16GB of DDR5 memory ensures you can juggle heavy applications effortlessly, while the massive 1TB SSD means you'll have plenty of space for your entire game library with incredibly fast loading times. No more waiting around, just pure, instant action. What really sets this laptop apart is the customizable RGB light bar that wraps around the entire chassis. It's not just about looks, though it does look absolutely incredible. It's about creating that immersive gaming atmosphere that makes every session feel epic. You can sync it with your games or customize it to match your setup perfectly. And with Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, you're future-proofed for the fastest internet speeds available, ensuring lag-free online gaming and lightning-fast downloads. This top-rated gaming laptop has been flying off Amazon's shelves, with thousands of buyers praising its exceptional build quality and performance. Whether you're a competitive esports player, a content creator, or someone who demands the absolute best gaming experience, the ROG Strix G16 delivers on every front. Check the link below for today's Amazon deal, but hurry, because at this performance level and price point, this incredible gaming machine won't stay in stock for long.